Take two. Baby, we can talk all night. But that ain't getting us nowhere. The snow is really piling up outside. I wish you wouldn't make me leave here.
Nah.
I poured it on and I poured it out. I tried to show you just how much I cared. I'm tired of words and I'm too hoarse to shout. But you've been cold to me so long, I'm crying icicles instead of tears. I'm crying icicles instead of tears.
Yeah.
That's great. Okay, hey, BOOZHOO, welcome back. And I hope you're not crying icicles instead of tears. That sounds painful. So yeah, welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO. I am Nana BOOZHOO.
Mm-hmm.
That is Natasha.
BOOZHOO.
You're not supposed to point.
You can point with your lips.
Yeah, so today is a Ojibwe language lesson. So we've learned how to say my name. Nana BOOZHOO, Izhinikaazo. Nana BOOZHOO is my name. But let's say, I want to say Natasha is her name. I would say Natasha Izhinikaazo. Izhinikaazo. Natasha Izhinikaazo. Nana BOOZHOO Izhinikaazo. Natasha Izhinikaazo. So this is a story about a little girl named Dorothy.
Oh, what?
Dorothy Izhinikaazo. So back in the days of the grandfathers, there was a little girl named Dorothy. But she grew up in Kansas, so they pronounced that middle O. It was like Dorothy.
Dorothy.
If you ever watched the movie, it's Dorothy.
Yeah.
Anyway, Dorothy lived in Kansas on a black and white farm with her Auntie Em and her uncle whoever and some farm hands. And one day there was a great big tornado came through, and she ran to her room with her little dog Toto, who was named after a band from the 80s. And the tornado came in and it took her house and flew her away. And she landed miles away in a place that had color. So tornado comes through, picks up the house right from its foundation.
Yeah.
And sent it off into the air. Miles away, house lands right on a person. Nobody even says her name. They just call her an old witch.
Yeah.
She wasn't very popular. But she was the Wicked Witch of the West. And I think it was the West. And she comes out and she's like, oh, geez, what did I do? And all these little guys, they come out. They're the munchkins. And you know what? Your house landed on this witch. She says, oh, I'm so sorry. So sorry I killed that person. I'm like, no, it's okay. We didn't like her. She's a witch. But just then what happens? A ball of light from the east came down. And here's another, witch. But this time they were, she's a good witch though. And it was a fairy princess. And she says, Dorothy, you must go to the Wizard of Oz. And she's like, really? I mean, I just had a day. I should really clean up. I got to see if Auntie Em's okay.
Yeah.
She's probably still in the house. But no. She goes, oh, okay. I'll start walking. So she goes on a walk, and she follows the yellow brick road. And pretty soon she's out and, she's still in Kansas. Never mind what the Munchkin said. A tornado, she's like 3 or 4 miles from her house. Still, she's walking along, and there's a cornfield there. And just then, what happens? The Scarecrow he starts talking. He's like, "Hey, Dorothy, can you help me down?" And she's like, "Oh, geez, yeah, sure, I'll help you down. Why do they got a live person hanging up here?" He goes, No, I'm a scarecrow, but I'm here to help you on your journey. You see, you're going to go into this enchanted forest, and there's going to be trees that throw their apples right at you.
Yeah.
And eventually you're going to meet a man made out of tin who has no heart. I want to avoid him. He's real creepy. He wears blue eyeshadow.
Yeah.
No heart. So avoid that. And he's got an axe. He's got an axe to grind. I think someone put a spell on him. So right now he's paralyzed. But don't mess with him. A little further on, there's going to be a lion. And he's going to be, trust me, he's going to be more afraid of you than you are of him. He's a cowardly lion. But still, it's a lion, so should probably want to avoid that. There's a witch who can throw fire. Mm-hmm. And there's going to be some flying monkeys with bat wings who are kind of sentient. Like they can understand English.
Yeah.
They can't speak, but they understand.
Yeah, that's messed
And they work
up.
for the witch. And eventually you're going to find this really creepy emerald city with green horses. And they're going to want to, curl your hair. Or something. And some old creep will want to send you away on a balloon ride. So if you want to come with me, I'll help you. And that's when Dorothy said, "You know what? I got this house that just got the wind blew. And it's a really good house, Even a tornado won't wreck it.
Yeah, huh?
But I should really see if my auntie is okay. And go take care of, whatever damages we've done. But thank you. Don't worry about anything. I'm glad I could help you out, Mr. Scarecrow. And this is the sensible, what would have really happened if the Wizard of Oz was real. Okay. Anyway, I want to say thank you for watching BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana BOOZHOO, and I will see you again. Kigawabamin, Minowa, Awa. Hey, honey, do you want to remind them about Patreon and that?
Yeah, sure. Well, everybody, if you'd like to support the show, please click the link. You can leave us a tip on PayPal, or you can sign up and support us every month on Patreon. And if you do that, we'll send you this book. Like Snow on Skin. It's a BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO coffee table book. And it's just kind of a Ojibwe language reference guide. Anyway, thank you for watching. My name is Natasha Izhinikaazo. And I will see you again. Kigawabamin, Minowa, How. Like that?
Oh, that was perfect.
Okay.
And to close out the show, I think we should do. What do you think, Natasha? Should we do a kiss song?
Well, yeah. Gotta do a kiss tune.
Wouldn't be a show without a kiss song.
Howling Dr. Love.
You need my love, baby, you're so bad.
You're not the only
say I wanna set you free. Don't you know you'll be in misery?
You know why? Dr. Love, they call me Dr. Love. Calling Dr. Love, I am a doctor of love. Dr. Love. Even though I'm full of sin, in the end you will let me in. You let me through, there's nothing you can do. You need my love and don't you know it's true. So answer please, get on your knees. There are no bills, there are no fees. Maybe I'll know what your problem is.
What's that, baby?
The first step of the cure is a kiss. No,
Oh, yeah.
call me Dr. Love. They call me Dr. Love. Calling Dr. Love. I am a doctor of love. Dr.
I am a doctor of love.
You have been watching
BOOZHOO.
Not a
Not a
BOOZHOO,
BOOZHOO.
podcast about Ojibwe language and culture.
And kiss.
I am Michael Lyons. This is Natasha.
BOOZHOO.
And this is Not a BOOZHOO.
BOOZHOO.
And I will see you again.
Giga Wabba Min. Minowa.
Hoa.
Hoa.
Oh, by the way, the Ojibwe word of the day. Ojindam.
All right.
Kiss. Ojindam. Kiss. I think we didn't. We didn't even remember to do a word of the day.